In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Google Drive for desktop to manage and back up your files. We'll walk through every step you need to get started, ensuring your important documents are securely stored and easily accessible. First things first, let's make sure you have the Google Drive desktop application installed. To do this, go to the Google Drive download page. Here, you'll see a button that says Download Drive for Desktop. Click on it and follow the instructions to install the application on your computer. Don't forget that you'll need to sign in using your Google account, so have your login information handy. This step is crucial as it not only gives you access to Google Drive, but also lays the foundation for seamless file management. Once the installation is complete and you've signed in, it's time to open the Google Drive app. As the application launches, you'll be greeted with the interface that will become your central hub for all your file management tasks. Now, let's navigate to the settings to customize your Google Drive experience. In the top right corner of the app, you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on it and select Preferences. This menu is where you can tailor the application to fit your specific needs. While in the Preferences section, you'll notice an option labeled My Computer. Here you can choose the specific folders you want Google Drive to back up. These might include your desktop, documents, and pictures. Selecting these folders means that their contents will be continuously backed up to your Google Drive, providing you with peace of mind that your important files are always safe and retrievable. Next, decide on a backup method that suits your needs. Google Drive offers two primary methods. The first is Stream Files, which keeps your files online but makes them available whenever you need them. This is a great option if you're looking to save space on your local drive. The second is Mirror Files, which keeps copies of your files both in the cloud and on your PC. This is ideal if you prefer quick access to your files without being reliant on an internet connection. After you made your choice, simply click on Save to implement your settings. And that's it. Your files will now start syncing to Google Drive based on your selected preferences. By following these steps, you've set up a robust system to ensure all your important files are safely backed up and easily accessible, both on your PC and in the cloud. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.